We are Atlantic Land Designs, land surveyors that supply services to mortgage companies and for builder support. I was loving my experience with the GPS, and I jumped right on board with the hybrid technology where I can integrate a robotics with GPS. So basically all I'm doing is setting up the robot, localizing the robot to the GPS state plane coordinates. Once I'm switched over to the robot from the GPS, then I just rock and roll. It takes seconds to get each location. Once I get going, I can just fly. I can do 3 jobs in time it took me to do 1. Now, a boundary survey may be where I'm going up and down the block and I'm locating nails and getting intersections and property corners. I may not set up the robot unless I start to get underneath some tree cover where the GPS isn't going to be effective. Then I'll set the robot up, localize it, and go up underneath the trees and use the robot there. The interface is so simple to use, so intuitive. It takes minimal training to even use this. It's just like a continuation of the GPS. One of the things that's most beautiful about this is, I'm in Florida. You don't want to have to be thinking real hard about what you're doing because you're melting as you're standing there. So to pull up to a job, localize and go without having to go, okay, did I get on the right points? Did I rotate in? I don't have to think about any of that because it does it all for me. When I switch to the robotics, the accuracy is probably 2/100ths of a foot. And it all depends on just how level I get with the prism pole. It's up to me now. Because of where everything's all related and everything's on state plane, it's very truth-telling. It's not like you backsighted the wrong point anymore or forgot to backsight something. You're backsighted something different. That's an amazing technology that helps us to eliminate errors, to eliminate going back to a job because something was forgotten or missed, or to double check because something just didn't jive when you were doing it. It's really quite remarkable how accurate it's making everything and what we're doing.